Welcome to my review of BoostCredit101, the credit score tool designed to help you boost your credit. Find links below. BoostCredit101 helps you take control of your credit, focusing on repair and improvement through personalized strategies. This isn't just about scores and reports. BoostCredit101 actively works with you to identify areas for improvement, like disputing inaccuracies, lowering utilization, and strategically managing accounts. A standout feature is dedicated credit coaching. Work one-on-one with experts to create a plan aligned with your financial goals. This personalized guidance addresses your unique needs. BoostCredit101 also provides detailed credit education, teaching you how credit works, what impacts your score, and how to maintain good credit health. So, you improve your score and gain the knowledge to make that improvement last. This tool is particularly helpful for those with poor or fair credit hoping to qualify for mortgages, auto loans, or better credit cards. It's also great for recovering from past financial challenges like late payments or collections. BoostCredit101 helps rebuild trust with creditors. More than a credit score tool, it's your full-service credit improvement partner. Personalized guidance, educational resources, and actionable strategies empower you to elevate your credit and achieve your financial goals. Check out the links below to see how BoostCredit101 can take your credit to the next level.